And the next layout that we're going to do is my favorite. It's the shape of the original sample for the teaching rug, and it's the diamond. And the diamond is the one that has many variations, more than the hexagon shape. It does a half triangle. It makes the star. You do a 6 to make a star. It also fills in. If you have a star, I think I can show you. If you have a star and it's open like this, another one will fill in and make it an octagon or a hexagon, whatever, however many sides it is, rug, instead of the shape of the diamond. You just fill in your points. So it's the one that does the most work in a design, and it's very easy to do. And I'm going to show you with the teaching rug the different layouts that you can do with the diamond design. So I'll get my rug ready. First, I want to show you something different. The teaching rug has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 for the triangle for the center. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, a triangle, a diamond, can be as small as 4 pennies. And that's a very, well, let's do it this way. 2 up, 2 down. So that's a very chunky diamond. We add another row. So a diamond is always the same amount one way, the same amount of pennies, 3, and you offset them this way, 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 pennies. Now they will have to come over here to make the center, because you always, oh, I had that wrong. You always have your pennies that are up and down, that are touching each other to make rows. They're not offset. You always have those going this way with the diamond. And you put your 2 pennies, 2 pennies, and then you have a larger diamond. So a 3 by 3 is the smallest diamond that I would use, and I would use this type of diamond when you're just putting color in different places. You would use, with a rug this small, I wouldn't use different colors on the bottom. I'd use the same colors on the bottom, and then I'd use the smaller pennies to make the design. Then you just keep adding your pennies. Now, if you do a rug with the 3, like I have here, and that's the way the teaching rug was, it tends to go this way more, for some reason, rather than this way. So if you have them just as 2, which I will do, they're a bit tricky. There. When you have 2, as this one, it tends to go longer this way. You have a bit longer of the points on the sides. And remember, the diamonds go up and down, one touching the other. The interlocking is this way. They interlock. The hexagon is just the opposite. The straight ones go this way and the interlocking go that way. Unless, of course, you turn your rug around. But when you set it out, that's how it works. And so now we're going, the diamonds are very versatile. They're very, they make a lovely rug, and we're going to be able to do a few things with, even with this small rug. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you, I'm not going to show you this one. This is very simple. Well, maybe I will show you this one. I'll show you this one with the 4 instead of the 9. So I'll just start that and I'll be right back. So I've finished. The layout for just the little short stubby diamond, the 4 pennies in the center, the same as the large one. And you can see the difference. I've run out of fabric. If I do the open penny, such as this one, this is an open penny, half of the pennies are showing, I would be okay, but I would still like to have a bit more. Something I want to show you, this is this fabric folds. These are right on the center, pretty much. But look at this one. It's almost a penny off, and that would need to be fixed. That needs to come back down. And the same here. You need a penny on each side, to keep it straight. So this is the difference between the little diamond in the center and the 9 penny diamond. So that's the difference. It makes it a bit larger for some reason. And I quite like that color combination. I think it looks quite good. I like that dark in the center. So now I'm going to show you how to shorten it up if you don't want to have those points. So I'll do one, and then I'll show you how to do it. So let's say that you don't want your long pointed diamond. You've finished the color of the row, and I'm going to take these out. Finish the color of the row, but then instead of doing, when you do diamonds, you do 2 offside and then the point. Instead of doing that, you just finish by filling in. And there you go. I wouldn't, you can do it this way, but it really doesn't look as good. I'll show you how it looks. There. I like it better with the row finished. Remember, if you have extra pennies and you can't put another one on there, it's not going to look good because you end up with a diamond again. So you have to take your point off. I would finish the rows and then just cut your diamond. Now, the next thing to do with the diamonds, that's the only way that you can lengthen your diamonds and change the shape. If you want to make a runner with your diamonds, you need to use your diamonds in a different way. And the way that we will use them is the 3 of diamonds rug that I did with the 3 diamonds. And you probably have enough to do that with this one. So I'm going to show you that layout now.